Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style cottage home decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Country style cottage home decor emphasizes warmth, comfort and a connection to nature. Some tips to achieve a charming country-style cottage home decor. Use reclaimed wood. Incorporate reclaimed or distressed wood for furniture, shelves, or accent walls. Reclaimed wood adds warmth and a sense of authenticity, perfect for a cottage-style home. A focal point with a fireplace. If you have a fireplace, make it the room's focal point. Decorate the mantel with vintage candlesticks, small potted plants, or a collection of antique clocks. If you don't have a fireplace, consider adding a fox mantle as a decorative element. Choose soft, flowing fabrics. Opt for light, airy curtains made from soft fabrics like muslin or cotton. Consider using lace or Iliad curtains for a vintage feel that allows natural light to filter in gently. Display kitchenware as decor. Use open shelving to showcase your favorite kitchenware like vintage animalware, rustic ceramics, or patterned dishes. Hanging pots and pans from a ceiling rack also adds a practical yet decorative touch. Add bedboard or wainscoting. Install bedboard or wainscoting on walls to add texture and cottage charm. This traditional paneling works well in kitchens, bathrooms, or hallways, creating a timeless look. Incorporate vintage wallpaper. Consider adding vintage-inspired wallpaper in small doses, sashes, an accent wall, inside a bookshelf, or lining a cupboard. Floral prints, royal patterns, or classic stripes can add color and interest. Introduce weathered metal accents. Use weathered metal accents like iron bed frames, antique door handles, or vintage light fixtures. Galvanized metal, old iron, or brush adds a rustic and slightly industrial touch that complements the country cottage aesthetic. Repurpose old furniture. Give old furniture a new life by repurposing it. An old leather can become a towel rack, or vintage dresser can be transformed into a bathroom vanity, or an old window frame can be turned into a mirror. Decorate with mason jars. Use mason jars as versatile decor items. Fill them with fresh flowers. Use them as candle holders or store pantry items like flour or sugar for a charming rustic touch. Add a farmhouse sink. If you are After updating your kitchen, consider installing a farmhouse-style apron front sink. Its deep basin and charming design make it both a functional and decorative addition. Layer rugs for texture. Layer rugs to add texture and warmth to your floors. Start with a neutral base rug, like a jute or seashell rug, and layer a smaller patterned or colorful rug on top for added interest. Opt for antique style hardware. Replace modern hardware with antique style knobs, handles, and fixtures. Brush, porcelain, or glass knobs can add a vintage touch to cabinets, drawers, and doors. Install vintage style hooks and racks. Use vintage style hooks, racks, or pegboards for hanging items like hats, scarves, or kitchen utensils. This is both practical and decorative, helping to maintain a tidy cottage feel. Use soft ambient lighting. Emphasize soft ambient lighting with airy lights, string lights, or candles. Place them around windows, over mantles, or in glass jars to create a warm, inviting glow. Keep it casual and comfortable. Focus on comfort and a lived-in feel. Arrange furniture for easy conversation. Add plenty of cushions and throws, and avoid overly formal or stiff layouts. Paint furniture in pastel shades. Paint furniture in soft pastel shades like dark egg blue, shades green, or pale pink. Distress the edges for a well-worn antique appearance that adds to the cottage charm. Decorate with vintage mirrors. Use vintage mirrors to reflect light and make smaller spaces feel larger. Ornate or distressed frames add character and a touch of elegance. Add personalized signet. Use vintage signs, homemade wooden plaques, or hand-painted quotes to personalize your space and add charm. Add a pop of color with painted furniture. Paint a statement piece of furniture in a bright or pastel color, like a teal sideboard or a yellow chair. This adds a playful touch and can become a focal point in the room. Feature exposed brick or stone walls. If you have exposed brick or stone walls, keep them visible as a natural feature. If not, consider using wallpaper or panels that mimic these textures to add a rustic, country feel. Decorate with dried flowers and herbs. Use dried flowers and herbs, such as lavender or eucalyptus, in vases, wreaths, or hanging bundles. They add a rustic, natural element and a pleasant fragrance to the room. Incorporate quilts and truss. Drape quilts and truss over sofas, beds, or armchairs. They add a cozy, layered look and are perfect for adding color, pattern, and warmth. Offer open-backed furniture. Choose furniture pieces like open-backed chairs, shelving units, or glass front cabinets to create an airy and open feel, maintaining the lightness characteristic of cottage style. Install shaker-style cabinets. In the kitchen, offer shaker-style cabinets with simple, clean lines. They offer a timeless, classic look that fits well with the country cottage theme. Create layers with window treatments. Layer window treatments with a combination of shutters, blinds, or fabric curtains to add depth and texture while allowing control over light and privacy. Embrace own finishes. Don't be afraid of items with a little wear and tear. Look for distressed finishes or add them yourself with paint techniques. Add cottage-style window boxes. Install window boxes filled with seasonal flowers or herbs outside your windows. This not only adds to the carved appeal but also brings nature closer to your indoor spaces. Decorate with baskets. Use wicker or open baskets for storage throughout the home. They add a rustic touch and help keep clutter organized, perfect for blankets, magazines, or kitchen essentials. Include handcrafted candles. Display handcrafted candles in rustic holders, mason jars, or vintage candlesticks. They add a warm glow and a romantic touch to any room. Hang curtains from decorative rods. Choose curtain rods with decorative finals like old iron or vintage brush. This small detail can enhance the overall look of your window treatments. Create a rustic outdoor space. Extend the country cottage feel to your outdoor spaces with wooden benches, wicker chair, or a rustic dining set. Use potted plants, hanging baskets, or string lights to create a cozy garden nook or patio. Use farm-inspired decor. Incorporate farm-inspired elements like galvanized buckets, milk jugs, old leathers, or barn doors. This can be repurposed as vases, storage, or wall decor to add a farmhouse feel. Focus on imperfections. Embrace imperfections in decor elements. Chips, scratches, and weathered finishes add authenticity and make the space feel well loved and lived in. Use plates or checks. Incorporate plates and checks through curtains, tablecloths, or upholstery. These patterns are quintessential to the country cottage style and add a cozy feel to the space. Keep it simple and uncluttered. Will the cottage style thrives on personal touch and vintage finds. Avoid overcrowding the space. Aim for a balance between decor and open space to maintain a calm